Hey guys, man, is it hot out here in Oregon, Portland, Oregon, about the end of July rather, right now, the 29th. It's a Friday. Got my guys out here, the two crews, and they've been kicking ass this week, man. But I've been getting them in here early, so that way they don't have to work so hard out in the heat when it busts loose, around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and the sun beats down and it just takes it out of us. Anyway, you know that. You know what's going on. But hey, no big deal. I wanted to show you this. I just get trying to come up with new content here. So the guys, when they're out there digging and whatnot, putting the fence posts in and moving things around, we find all these fine little goodies and gadgets and trinkets and whatnot. The only thing I don't have is a display case for them, but I allow them to bring them back to the shop here in the office, and we have a little display case right here. I want to show you. Check this out. So we've been going down the line. Look at all this little stuff we've been collecting. We found a pair of pliers and all this good stuff. Oh, Barbie doll, Oh, this is the latest find here, man. A magazine with a couple of rounds in it. You know what I mean? Feathers, of course, little trinket cards like that. Oh my goodness, marbles, people have lost their marbles before, little things like this, and tarantulas, we found airplane, my goodness, little stuff like that. And so my next project is to build a display case for all this stuff. Anyway, yeah, I just thought I'd give you a heads up, let you know that it's hot out here in Oregon. Of course, it's probably hot where you are too. And just like the fence company here, it's hot, baby. We're like 9 weeks out with work, 2 crews, and it just keeps flooding in, man. Work continues to keep coming in. So that radio commercial has really helped out. I went and did an estimate, and I asked him how he heard from me, and he heard from me on the radio. Wow. And then found out that he is the photographer for Shriners Hospital. I told him I was a drone pilot. Who knows? I might just get a drone video package that way. Who knows? Anyway, got to get the job first. But whatever. The file's full. Either way, it's all good. And the guys continue to work. And we'll continue to bring in these little trinkets. You guys have a great day. Keep smiling. Stay cool. Stay hydrated. Keep fluid. Okay.